Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Pro. Today with 2024 Kia Sportage, stock number 7076. It's ran from the night 2019 to the current shape. Here's a G40L 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G40L 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter with the AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,